anyway. Surprisingly, I mean, to many people, maybe surprisingly, the answer often is, yeah, give it a shot. We have some leeway when our evaluators are going through this. We have some leeway. If something really strikes their fancy, you really are providing something, very useful and very unique. Well, okay, we'll waive the 5-year requirement. Now, if you're only been around for a month and a half, you're probably not going to get anywhere. But 3 years does establish some level of longevity and credibility. It does pay to try. So don't just give up on some of the softer requirements. It doesn't hurt to ask. Yes.
So, in other words, you would suggest strongly that the audit is good in order to apply to have more. When you apply for the grants, it will look good when you apply for that, or so there will be audit, or a little confusion there.
I'm not sure I understand the question.
You say that it's good if the organization is audited, right? 3 or 5 years, right? What that brings to the person or to the organizations applying for grants?
The audit?
Right.
Doesn't specifically bring anything. I mean, in some contexts, an audit is a compliance requirement. You've got to have a CPA, some certified accountant come in and go over your books and say, your balance sheet balances. But in addition to the compliance issue, what you get out of that is the fact that they let you continue to exist. But in addition to that, is the fact that somebody may ask to see your audited statements at some point in time before they'll consider providing you with funds. So, I mean, the point is, you've got to do it anyway, that kind of a thing. You might as well, do it well and be timely with it, because that just opens up opportunities for you that you might otherwise miss.
So what happens is the for example is a hard criteria and the one is soft.
Yeah, I mean, it's sort of my terminology. Hard means we're not gonna we are not able to overlook that one, and soft means we have some leeway in judgment. Yes.
Also, to answer this question, when the evaluator are looking at the proposal, it takes away a lot of points.